Welcome to today's episode of Coding Chronicles, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of web development. I'm your host, and today we're exploring an incredible JavaScript animation library called anime.js. Now, if you've ever looked at a web page and thought, wow, how did they make that animation? Let me tell you, anime.js could be the secret ingredient behind those stunning visuals. So let's start with the basics. Anime.js is a lightweight, multi-purpose animation library. What does that mean? Well, it allows developers to create complex animations easily. It works smoothly with CSS properties, SVG, DOM attributes, and even JavaScript objects. Imagine having the power to make your web elements dance around on the screen or transition between states fluidly, all with just a few lines of code. Sounds awesome, right? Now, Anime.js recently rolled out version 4, which has some exciting updates. For instance, the way you import the library has changed a bit. It now uses ES modules. Here's a quick example. You can import the animate function like this. Import animate stagger from anime.js, and then you can use that function like this. Animate square x320, rotate from -180, duration 1250, delay stagger 65 from center, ease in-out quint, loop true, alternate true. Isn't that simple? It really showcases how intuitive the API is, making it accessible for developers at all skill levels. But here's where it gets even more interesting. There are significant changes and improvements that come with this new version. For example, some methods have been streamlined to be more straightforward. You know how sometimes learning a new toolkit can feel a bit daunting? Well, with Anime.js, they've worked to make things easier. Things like timelines and promises have had their structure refined, leading to a more user-friendly experience. Now, this makes me want to explore. How do you think animations impact user experience? Do they enrich it or distract from functionality? Let's think about it. When used effectively, animations can guide users' attention, making it clear where to click or how to interact with the page. But if overdone, they can slow down the experience or become annoying. Finding that balance is crucial. Moving on, one of my favorite features of anime.js is its handling of timing and staggering animations. This allows you to create synchronized effects that can make a group of elements appear one after the other, almost like a choreographed dance. It's such a great way to bring static content to life. And I can't forget to mention their support for SVG animations. Imagine creating shapes that morph into one another or drawing effects that unfold with your user's eyes. It's artistry and functionality combined into a seamless flow of movement. Before we wrap up, I want to remind listeners that anime.js is completely free and thrives thanks to its community of sponsors. So if you're feeling grateful for the resources you use, consider supporting open source projects like this one. In closing, Anime.js opens up a world of creative possibilities for web developers and designers alike. Its simple yet powerful API makes it a go-to library for anyone looking to add flair and interactivity to their websites. What's your take on using animations in web development? Have you used them effectively in your projects? Share your stories or let me know your thoughts. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes where we delve into the ever-evolving world of coding and technology. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep animating.